Hey guys, we've got to randomize our two undrafted, non-signee NFL teams cards for the break. Nathan Rourke and Reggie Corbin. So we got here random.org, randomizer, we get all the buyers in here. We're going to randomize each one 7 times. So this is first for the Nathan Rourke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I should explain again, whoever is at the top of the list after I do it 7 times will win it. So 7, whoever's number 1 will get it 7. Congratulations, Sean. You've got the Nathan Rourke. And for Reggie Corbin, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Congratulations, Colin. Thanks, guys.